Oh, I forgot to take note of this. There's my what do you call this? Palo Verde tree. It's a beautiful tree. It's got beautiful, dainty yellow flowers. But the other half of it broke off. Gosh, what, about less than a month ago because of the high winds, and it already broke off what, about a year ago, and it came back to life, but I guess it just didn't take hold very well. The roots didn't take hold very well, so it got decimated by the winds. But it's a beautiful tree, and it's part of the signature atmosphere of our backyard, and I can't wait for all the leaves to start coming out, and it'll be quite a sight. It's a simple tree, but all the branches are shooting straight up. Nothing goes horizontally. They're all shooting straight up, and it's called a Palo Verde. It only grows, well, it does well in the desert, and it's just one of the simple wonders of nature. And thank God for my live TV, which is just watching my birds as I drink my coffee. And where are they? Oh, there they are. And just, well, I guess but I certainly can't spend the next 7-8 hours just watching my birds. Oh, it looks like their bird food is down to what, almost nothing now. Can have to replenish that. Oh, and by the way, I tried to work on the garden and start cutting some flowers to put in a vase, but after two successful cuttings, while I kneel on the ground and bending down with my crown, with the stupid crown still on my head, I got dizzy and almost lost my balance. It's not a good place to land with your face straight into the thorns, so I'll just have to fight it out. And thank God for data on the cell phones, that I'll be able to at least I'll be able to what the hell am I talking about? All right, I know I'm getting boring, and I'm not ranting. Well, it's just so cool to watch my birds. I'm gonna video a little bit more, and over and out. I'll let you hear the birds. I'll keep my mouth shut.